What's up, everyone? Welcome back to an episode of Princess World, and today we're buttoning up the transmission on this 2002 Isuzu Trooper. Now, in the last episode, we went about trying to remove the transmission on this vehicle. Easier said than done, easier said than done. But after some inspection, I spent my time looking at the transmission pan, saw that this thing's actually leaking. So what came to my mind is the transmission might actually still be good. The only problem is that the pan gasket might be bad. So what we're going to do is button up the transmission, pull off the pan, and see if the thing is leaking. Well, it is leaking, but we're going to see if the gasket is bad. So everybody, stay tuned. But before we jump on this Isuzu, I like to take care of another thing. That's right, as our handy dandy hauler truck. This thing has been sitting here for a while and the battery was dead. Recently, we just replaced the battery from a vehicle that we just took to the junkyard. But unfortunately, that battery wasn't fully charged. So now we just hooked it up to another vehicle. And now, we'll just wait for it to charge up. And while we're waiting for that, I'd like you guys to like, comment, and also leave a comment for me in the comment section below. I really want to hear what you guys are thinking, because I really want to make this channel better and put out content that you guys want to watch. But there's also another thing I want to show you guys. I recently found out that our reservoir tank is not bolted in place. And you see that? That's the reason right there. Whoever owned this vehicle last didn't bolt the thing right back down. They just left it being, thinking that'll be alright. Well, for my standards, I say no. What we're going to do is put this thing back in place and get on with the rest of the video. So unfortunately, our little reservoir tank is like that for a reason. So that just means we have to leave it as it is. No point in fighting it. So what we're gonna do is jump on to the next thing and see if this thing now starts. So it might seem that the battery we have is a dud. So what we're going to do is let this vehicle charge up as long as it needs to while we take care of that Isuzu. So everybody, let's get to putting that transmission back in place. So everybody, the transmission is back up, button up everything back in place. But as you guys will see, we had to remove the cross member once again because it was in the way of the drain pan. So also, you already drained the oil from the transmission. I'm about to drop the pan to see what it's like. So everybody, give me a few minutes and I'll get back with you.
The next day.
So everybody, here I am at my local O'Reilly's. Unfortunately, I couldn't get that pan on because that gas is like sealing it on, and I've tried everything to pull it off, but it's okay. So what we're gonna do is get our transmission fluid and put some stop leak in it. See if that helps. If it doesn't, then oh well, we tried. So everybody, let's head inside O'Reilly's. So here everybody, hello again from a long hiatus of the absence of me. Feeling good, my G? So everybody, we're back here at the shop, and here we have right here is our new transmission fluid. Good. Now before we go off of putting it any inside the Isuzu, I want to show you guys this one. This is the old transmission fluid. It equaled up to about 4 quarts when I drained it out of the transmission, which let me know that it was actually low on transmission fluid. The maximum is 8. Right now I got 7 because we're gonna put stop leak in it to get that gasket to stop leaking, hopefully. What I did was put the bolts back on and tighten them up tighter, and it seemed to have actually squeezed the gasket in real good. So everybody, now we got everything set up, let's get to putting that transmission fluid inside this Isuzu. So everybody, finally, the Isuzu is filled up with training fluid. And let me tell you, it's a lengthy process that I am not fond of. I really prefer a dipstick over a filler plug. That thing is like so messy and I'm just not a big fan of it. And it takes way too long. But anyway, the thing is finally filled up. So all that's left to do is just drop it and take it for the test drive. So everybody, see you at the test drive. So everybody, here we are on the test drive. And so now, we are off. Okay, that shift to first to second was good. Kind of hard on the third. Seems to be doing all right. I wish I was in a speed in a vehicle. This thing's like so heavy and mountaineer-like. God, I couldn't make that cheaper turn. Ooh, that shit's kind of rough. It needs to warm up a little bit. And it does have fresh fluid. It's not too bad. Not too bad. I don't want to take this thing on the highway, but with the way it's acting up on these shifts, gotta think twice about it. First or second is alright. First second is alright. Then when it hits third is when it starts shuddering a bit before it gets into the gear. Alright, everybody, we're going to the highway. Here goes. Dang, you have to slow down for real. This thing is not made for like making sharp turns, like for real. So top heavy. I'd say you have to be careful when shifting into lanes with this vehicle because it is like very, very top heavy. Not a really good design in my opinion, making a car this top heavy. It'll take a lot of getting used to this car just to drive it, like Jesus Christ. Alright, we're gonna make that U-turn back to the shop. Also hit that light. Okay, made it. Jesus Christ, those shifts. First and second, bad. Second and third, awful. The rest of the way, okay. Not a problem. So everybody, I say that all that we've done to this Isuzu, I say that it's almost done. As you guys saw, I had some poor shifting issues. I don't think that's a real problem. I just think it just needs more training fluid. All's all good and good. With that said, this vehicle is almost done, just needs some extra training fluid. Now that we're done with this, we can get on that Volvo. Unfortunately, the key hasn't shown up for that thing just yet, but trust me, once that key gets in, I will notify you guys immediately on the Instagram. But you know, with that being said, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video. And also, if you want to be up to date with the happenings of this Isuzu and Volvo, then check me out on Instagram at Princess World. And with that being said, until next time, Prince out.